Okay, which language support? English and what else?
Chinese and this one.
And Russian only.
Yeah.
Alright, wait. Okay, then
Now it's detecting.
detecting. Now the drone is there, like on, and now it's gonna be adapted to detecting.
Now it is the data out. This is the ID of the drone and the frequency.
The frequency and the ID. Frequency and ID. Okay. And then, can I see the map?
Map. This one. 丽丽，需要你的帮助。就是我现在看到地图里面，你先联系上网络，然后先联网了，然后要怎么连？设置吗？叫我下我们的网络在哪？那先联网下地图。那联网才有地图。We also need to connect with the internet.
It has to. Okay. And when there is in the street no internet, you need to connect it to any Wi-Fi, no?
Yes. If you don't need a map, you just locate the.
No, yeah. This important is the map. Otherwise, you use this one. But this one is enough. You can put down the noise if you want. Yes. Okay. Continue. And it's based on Google, no?
Yes, it is
All right.
based on other Gauder in Chinese.
Okay. And the approach.
Here, choose the map.
Okay. And what is the range of detection? So
About
here, where are we now?
Here.
Here's where we are.
Yeah.
And then this is the location of the map
Yes.
detecting, and it's taking both the drone and the commander
Yes. Here can show the commander, but
at the same time, same place.
Yes.
Okay, it could be nice that we can see this, the commander and the drone in the map.
Yes.
And also a little demonstration about the Wi-Fi and the range. What is the range about detecting?
10 kilometers
Okay,
in the widest space.
In wide space with
Yes.
no mountains.
Yes.
All right. In horizontal is 10 kilometers detection, and the 10 kilometers involve five commander and 5 drones, or like this circle is what is involved. The 10 kilometers. The 10 kilometers is when the drone is coming, or 5 one side, 5 one side.
Now we are here now, and
Yes.
this is 10 kilometers.
10
kilometers.
All right. So this is the influence. So whatever any drone is flying in this area, we can detect it in the 10 kilometers radio. So this is 5 kilometers to 5 kilometers altogether. Radio is 5, yeah? Or this is 10?
From here to here is 10 kilometers.
So it's 20.
10 kilometers and 10 kilometers.
All right. So it's 20. It's not 10 to 10. All right. And the second one, if the drone is flying in this area, I can see the drone and also the commander.
Yes.
Both.
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Then in the detection of the drone, I can see the serial ID.
Yes.
In this case, is this the frequency? What is it?
Frequency of the drone.
On the drone.
Yes.
All right. Okay. What is the communication of this device right now? For example, this one goes in Wi-Fi, or how do I select? How can I be in internet on this? Right now it's on Wi-Fi, but this one has a SIM card inside or not?
You can download a map in advance, and if no Wi-Fi, it is also no problem. You can connect this one here.
Sensor running.
Here is the position. You can input the longitude
The
and
coordinate.
the latitude.
Or the other solution is to have a device like a 4G. 4G, yeah, this is a battery, but maybe we can have a 4G share Wi-Fi. So this one gets also together outside the Wi-Fi.
Yes.
All right. If the Wi-Fi connected on this one is in which frequency? In 2.4 or 5.
This one is for 2.4 and 5.8.
Both.
Yes.
All right. The battery timing, how long does it resist?
The 3 to 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours.
Yes.
So how many milliamperes is?
I need to confirm this. Lily， 这个电池容量是5安时吗？还是3安时啊？5 588
588 milliamperes.
Yes.
It's very small. But the package when you deliver, how many batteries we have?
Only one inside.
It's built in.
Yes.
Built-in
Only one
battery.
inside.
And then we need to charge it all the time.
Yes.
Okay. So it's a station that is autonomy is 3 hours.
Yes.
But better to put it in a station where you can, 3 hours autonomy. Yeah, because 588 is not too much of the battery. And it's built in, so you cannot replace. You need to charge it all the time. Okay, you have the power. You have the buttons. Okay. Waterproof.
IP is 65.
Up to 65, so it can fall down from 2 meters, no? I can fall down to 2 meters, no scratch. IP65 is water. No, don't try it. It's very expensive, Siri. It's very expensive. So, and protecting the screen. Do you have any protection for the screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. But we can, because this is like a telephone.
Yes, like telephone. It's Android system.
And the size is basically like a normal telephone. It could be mine telephone there, so it's maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can protect this screen a little bit.
Okay.
What else? This version, it's 2024, 2023. When you when it was created.
Sorry, could you repeat it again?
Yes, this version of this hardware was 2023, 2024.
2023.
2023 in November. So it's brand new.
Yeah.
The design.
Yeah.
Okay. In your request, the DJI frequencies, you say it's 900 to 6,000 frequency detected.
This one is for 9,000 to. Sorry, this one is for 900 to 6,000.
6,000.
This one can only detect the 2.4 and the 2.8.
2.4 and
2.4 and 5.8. No.
5.8. It's like the DJI.
Yes, it
And this one goes more between 900 all the way to 6,000.
Yes, but it can only detect the zone. It comes of the locations.
Yeah. This one is giving you the alarm only, and this one is giving you more accurate information like the map and so. Okay, good.